Okay, let the game begin. Number 5 against number 13. Ball position, Pintuyan, unang tira ni Mr. Surigao. Basket. Okay, kinis Mr. Surigao mga kaigsunan, naglangoy pagkatudi. Paduong Pintuyan para lang makaduwa. Okay na. Ang ato mga player na, at namandamdaan, kaya di palimutan sa mga player dalawa. Unang tira na number 22, si Pintuyan. Diana, nagsunod number 7, gipasa ni number 23, Gilian, plastic out. Para ni Duta, uy, hinaski, murag mga manok. Mapagpaglang sa di. First, react, wala. Rebound number 24, pass to number 7, elementary school, Gitir, Pong Pellegrino. Nakatsamba na pod. Okay, ako yung score, 6 against nothing. Pintuyan on top. Actually, this is the first quarter of the game. Here comes number 8, Gully. Pass to pamakiti ang number. Ayay. Ito na. Nag-ilog na sila duha. At wagapon. Buwan na pabilin sa sugod, Gully. Under, wala, Gitira, wagapon, Gully, number 6, wagapon. Tira wala pa, number 7 siguro sa balo Pintuyan. Number 7 ang mamadali, pass to Surigao City. Out! Sugod! Okay. Time out sa kay Muragwa. Tanahin si coach.
Nira ang panala, ang pahulong.
Atong score 8 kontra Wapa. Labaw ang 8 mga kaigsunan. Una, nabat-buhat sila kung sa imong sumpay. Brought to you by Nature Spring Water. Sakay na! Sa pagtoo, super pire. Okay, back to the ball game. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 28 seconds. Here comes Tagtad. This ball, back-tier ball, from the 3-point line, pass to Sinya. Sinya, gipurma, gibalik kita Tagtad, kinahadlok sa kontra. Unsay gihandukan, Tagtad, gipira. First 2 points of Sugo. Number 7 of Pintuyan controlling. Approaching. Ang atong scoreboard, giluhag-luhag na pod. Palihog lang. Mapil-pil gatod mo diharon bitaw. Likat di palihog ang atong scoreboard kay basig hoso na niya papaw. Okay, here comes Sinya, pass to Tagtad. Tagtad, pass to Rabiso. 14 on the shot clock. Tagtad, pass to Rabiso. Rabiso, yes, basket count. Okay, ang effective ang timeout nga gi-call sa atong coach diri sa Sugod Bullhugs. Score nato 8-4. Kamoy balansi pilay diferensya. Number 23, Pellegrino. Okay, pass to number 7, School. Di pasa sa gisalipdan, di makita. Araray pag-ibig na pagbilang. Okay, nakuha sa Sugod ang bola. Tagtad, low pass. To Gali. Gali, di pasa ni Sinya. Sinya to Tabale. Getera, wala. Rani sa Rani, score for two. Balik na, start to 2. 8 against 6. Still in Timor of Pintuyan. Pintuyan, the home of Wilshire. Number 25, Surigao. Nangita kapasahan, di pasa ni number 7 School. But there's a call, it's a traveling call, it's a changing pivot. According to our referee, ball position, so good ball ha. Tagtad, low pass to Gali. Give away a Gali for 3. Labaw na mga kaigsunan. Okay, change Pibor, 8 against 9. Sugod on top by 1. Handayan number 24, Itamis communication to Handayan, and number 13 of Pintuyan, resulting to turnover. Sinya, pass to Tagtad. Hindi mga bata ang mga hari sa isil issue sa una. Tatad pa rin ang may tangan. Pass to Stelia, number 24. Montegana, 12 to the Sitla. Tabali, number 22. Good for 2. So good na top by 3 at 11 games 8. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Score. Score lagi dekat pasangan di pasangan ni Pellegrino from the 3 points middle line. Okay.
14.
Okay. Timeout Pintuyan. Unang timeout sa Pintuyan brought to you by Trust Quality Condo. Hindi lang pang pamilya, pang silingan pa. What is yung pay ganun ha? Really time. Back to the ball game. Still first quarter of the game, 5 minutes and 23. Ball position, Pintuyan. Nice. Okay, number 13, Quezon. Okay, Gali secures the ball, pass to Tagtad. Tagtad, back to Gali. Gali guarded by number 24, Handayan. Gali pa rin. Gipasa, hapit makuha sa kontra. 14 on the shot clock, Ramiso. Ramiso, guarded by number 13. Ramiso tep, wala. Rebound nakuha sa sugod lamang ni Hapon. O nakuha ni number 13 ang bola. Pass to number 7. Number 7 school, nakita kapasahan. 14 on the shot clock. Number 24. 5. Pellegrino. Okay, miss the ring. Ring is on 4 minutes and 35. Here comes the dead, guarded by number 7. And recepted by number 13, pass to number 7. Okay, 2. 11 against 8, 1 point lead by Sugod. Tatad, to Ramiso. Ramiso kembali, agawan sa bola, 15 on the shot clock. Senya. Okay, ano ba ito? Dala. Di makita, gamay no. Okay, shot clock resito. Okay, there's a goal. According to our referee, blue, number 25, Arns, 2 shots awarded to number 10, Senya. First personal foul, first team foul. Orang tira, mga kagsunan. Orang tira, pati pasak na. Orang tira. Aha. Okay. Substitute through, illegal entry. Okay. Ikatlong tira na ni. Atong taron. Bastika. Okay, score na po. 3 switches, labaw o tulo ang sugod. Number 7, Pintuyan. Pass to Handayan, number 24, Handayan. To number 7, Pellegrino. To number 24, nakawala. Okay, number 10. Pass to number 11, Tatad. Number 3, wala. Ang number 1, Ramiso. Good football by Ramiso. Throw against 15, 3 minutes and 16. Number 7 is full. Pass to number 24. Okay, short. Bola nakuha sa sunod. Okay, ball out of bounds, ball position, sugod.
Sector P6. Play.
Okay, Tatod to Gali Ramiso, back to Tatad. 15 on the shot clock, Tabali guarded by number 13. Tabali at the for 2 to Strong, Pellegrino secures the ball, pass to School. School guarded by Sinya, School pa rin na may tangan, number 13. Number 13 using the glass, wala. Ramiso secures the ball, Tatad. Gali guarded by number 23. Hey, enters Ramiso Tol. According to our referee. Okay. Blue number 23, holding for. Play, nakabuhi, nakabuhi. Pero di mo sunod si Ramiso, isang gibawi. Okay. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. 12 against 17. Score, pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino at the for 3. Too strong, Sinya, big rebound, pass to Tatad. Here comes Tatad, guarded by number 24. Tatad pa rin na may tangan, pero may use of all according to referee. It's number 24. Illegal use of hands. Sa upcoming for Pintuyan, Labanan East. Isagmoon, okay, number 25, Surigao. Gali, sideline inbound pass to Tatad. 15 on the shot clock. Ramiso. Gali ang may tangan. Guarded by number 24. Gali pa rin, pass to Ramiso, intercepted. Number 13, pass to number 24. Here comes number 7, controlling for Pintuyan. Number 7 pa rin, School. Number 7, pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino, pass to School. Wala! Ang alat sa bola! Number 23, pass nila ng short na bola. Wakabot. Okay, tatanaw ang may tangan. From the 3 points to the line, pass to Gali. Gali guarded by number 24. Gali to number 22. Tuara. 5. Yusro, Gali secures the ball. Okay. School intercepted the ball. School drives in. Goal for 2. Segundos lang ang nabilin sa Taburas. School 14 against 17. Still 3 points lead by 7:45 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Tuara, Labanan. Intercepted the ball. Pass to number 7. Handayan. Nakagawa ng bola. Sinya. Pass to Tapayan. Punalan. Pellegrino. Controlling. Okay, 20 seconds shot clock.
Bun.
10. Pellegrino for 3. Okay, that's the end of the first quarter. Our score 17 against 19. Okay, quarter 2. Okay, Tatad controlling Sinya. Back to Tatad. Tatad pa rin na may tangan. From the 3 points to the line, guarded by number 9. Number 5, Ramiso. Hapon yung mga ang ulan. Number 3, Langres. Itira, wala. Sabino, nakuha ang bola. Ipasa ni number 9. Ipasa ni Sabino. Sabino, biyatem. Short. Bola. Number 13. Shot clock. Receiver 13. And goal intercepted. Here comes Langres. Langres to number 7. Tomon. Ramiso. gipahuay ang bola. Gihatag ni Tumon, gitira, wala. Awan sa bola. Sugutin. Tumon. Aha, blind pass. Apilang kauban, nawa. Okay, it's a miscommunication resulting to turnover, ball position, Pintuyan. Number 9, baseline ball, pass to Sabino back to number 9. Number 9, pass to number 10, Alapag. Labadan, the trigger man. Labadan ang may tanan, muntik ng magawan. But ball out of bounds by Tumun. Still ball position for Pintuyan. Shot clock 20. Okay. Number 5, Sabino, there's the block. Okay. Labadan, footback by 2. It's for Lapid, this is Jimmy, this is Remy. Only 2 points lead by Sugod. Pareha na? Pareha na ang score.
Anong mga
Okay, your score. Number 9. Heads by number 9. Okay, sideline involved by Langris. Ano yung score? Pareha na. First dig lang of the game. Tagtag guarded by number 9. Tagtag pa rin. Pero di siya ka. Ramiso. Okay, go for 2. Number 9. Okay, ball intercepted by Tagtag. Pass to Ramiso. Ramiso to Tumun. Number 15. Good for 2 by number 15, Rispa. Number 9, Opikuyan controlling. Guarded by Lagres, pass to Labadan. Number 9 pa rin. Number 9, and there's a goal. It's a change in 5 foot na naman. It's a turnover. Committed by number 9. 7 minutes and 56. Second quarter. Hala, nasa lip din na naman ang scoreboard ha. Pusilat pa bang? Number 11. 37. Number 11. Short. Ball. Nakuha ni number 10. Pass to number 9 of Pintuyan. Number 9 pa rin. Gipasahan ni number 10. Alapag. Alapag. Ipanangguhan. Good for 2. Okay, tubon. Aha! Sakpan nga. Okay ni, kuya ang bata na itong mga referee. Blue, number 10. Hands, 2 throws. Tingnan na, una lang naman ito na. Okay, unang tira. Then number 27, tubon. Ang lagi nga. Murang itinapang ice cream. Ang tira namin sa sumaya sa librang B. Post goal.
Bingo!
Okay, ball position na sa Pintuyan. Ang score 21-25. Di pasa ni number 9, di pasa ni Sabino. Sa ilalim, wala. Pero may foul ang nakita mula sa ating mga referee. It's number 15. It's a push foul by Risma. 2 throws awarded to Labadan. Labadan from the 4.5 meter line. Orang tira. Paslak. Kedua tira. Basket gihapon. Okay. 23-25 ang atong score. Duha na lang ang labaw sa sugod. Tubon, guarded by number 10. 15, Rachel Mac, nakakatasalan. Tubon, nakawala. Good for 2. Minayong number 9. it's a miscommunication. Wa magtanaw. Tanaw lagi. Magmaritis man anang fans. Oh. Okay. Ito na. Nindot eh. Na. Relax sa pasigha. Kinarelease ang bola. Okay, tatag guarded by number 9. Hinayon. Tatag pa rin pass tutungon. Intercepted by Labanan. Labanan pass to number 9. Munti ka na po. Okay. Sa upcoming number 13, Baldi. And number 3 out Ramizo. Hindi mga tawa na. Gipas na ng apelido. Apeliduhan pa dyan ni Dog Kabot. Labanan! Wala! Malamig pa ang kamay ni Labanan. Under sa call. According to our referee. Same ball. Ball out of bounds by Sugod. Baseline ball. Okay. Shot clock na to. Shot clock na.
Deliver. Play time.
Score na to. 25 against 27. Number 9 na nakapulot ng bulan. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 8. Labanan. To number 10. Number 5. Pero naitawag sa itong mga referee. Okay, yellow number 13. Unang foul ni Baldi. Okay, two throws for number 5, Sabino. Arang tutuko. Unang tira. Chamba. Ikarawang tira. Ikarawang tira mga kaigsunan. Ay, chambara ka ito na itong primero. Diara, number 13, Baldi. Pass to Langras. To Abad. Munti ka na pong mawala ang bola. Abad, pass. Okay, it's a miscommunication between Abad and Risma, resulting to turnover. Ang atong score, 20 size, 20 shitty. Standby. Number 9, Hinayon. Sabino. Labanan. Back to Sabino. 15 on the shot clock. Sabino attempt. Short. Number 13. Secures the ball. Sabino. For the second time round. Wala. Sugod. Secures the ball. Here comes number 13. Valde. Pass for Langres. Kapit. Okay, natouch sa kontra ang bola. Abad. Di pasa. Okay, there's a call. Wait sa. Number 5. Use of hands sa upcoming. Number 5 out. And number 21, Cordoba, Cebu. Second personal foul. Hey. Bola nakuha. Number 9, Hinayon, nagmamadali. Pass to number 13. Behind pass, nakuha sa kauban. Okay, Valdi, nagmamadali. Okay, there's a contact. According to our referee, sino may salarin? Number 21, push. Two shots sa upcoming Surigao. May balik na si Surigao. Hey. Second team falls for Pitria. Walang tira, miss ring.
Sab.
Ikalawang tira, and out. Okay, there's a call. Basketball. Okay, number 3, push. Sa upcoming for Sugod, Autumon, and Amungan, number 24. Okay. Okay, chance people na tayo mga kaisunan. 28-29. Pintuyan on top only by 1 point. Okay. Nag-umas play. Uy. Okay, kini mo nindot ka nawa. Di mo sugot ang matagting nga malabuan. Magipuli-puli na. Kinayon number 9 pass to Cordova number 21. 10 on the shot clock. Cordova, Barcas Altera, number 15, Risma secures the ball. Pass to number 13, Valde. Here comes Valde, guarded by number 9. To number 24, wala. Pero may tawag mula sa ilalim. Look, number 21. It's a push foul. Two Collins. Second personal foul. Orang tira di Amungan number 24 basket. Standby. No substitution in between. Second throw of Amungan. Basketball. Sa upcoming for Pintuyan, Pellegrino in. Out number 3. Okay, palihog lagi ko ang atong scoreboard atong sa left day palihog. Pellegrino, sideline ni Mount, number 21, Cordova, wala pa rin, bola nakuha sa sugod. Valde, pass to Amungan to number 15, Resma, basketball. Narapod, okay, another reception. Abad. Here comes Baldi from the 3-point line. Baldi to Langres. Okay. Ball out of bounds, ball position, Pintuyan. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Second quarter. Number 9. 15 on the shot clock. Pellegrino controlling. Ate for 3. Wala. Agawan sa bola. Bola nakuha ni Valde. Langres. Ampera. Agawan sa bola. Amungan. Pass to Langres. Okay, munting na po. Ball out of bounds by Blue. 11 on the shot clock. Sa upcoming Pintuyan, Quezon in. Labanan out. Okay, number 24. 5 on the shot clock. Okay, good. Number 21, Cordova. Pass to number 9. Pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino, Gidol, Gitera, Wagyapon. Okay, there's the ball. Basket count. Plus the whistle call. Yellow number 24. It's a pushing foul. Bonus throw awarded to number 25. Second personal foul. A bonus throw. In and out. Stand by. Valdi number 13. From the 3-point meter line. Amungan! Wala! Number 13, Quezon. A big rebound. Ball recovers by number 21. Pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino, Gitera, short. Bola, nakuha ni Valdi. Valdi controlling. Pass to Abad. Abad at the for 2. Yes, in the glass. Basket in. Hey, number 9. Pass to Cordova. Arap ko sugal tira. Here comes Valde. Nagmamadali. Pass. masakit yun. Number 21, foul pushing, basketball. Three personal fouls. Warning for penalty, Pintuyan. Barbecue. Okay. Back to the ball game. Bonus throw awarded to Amuan, number 24 of Sugod Bullets. Atong pagkasasihan mga kaisuran. Gidribble gihapon ang bulag, gipurma, gitira, basket. Parang hamluya. Okay. Diyan na ang taga-Pintuyan mga kaisuran. Number 7, school. Number 7, pass to number 13, apapap. Duara.
Pizza ba dahil kuhan? Pizza?
Okay, Duara. Number 3, foul. Pushing foul. Technical foul, number 3. Okay.
Personal power plus technical.
To count personal foul plus technical foul.
Pizza ba dahil kuhan?
Okay. Technical through for number 13, basket. Okay, penalty situation. Asugod. Okay.
Board naman.
Okay, 32 na ako. Sabali ito. 32 na.
Ito sorry.
City.
Okay.
33.
33. Okay, score na to 33 against 37. Okay, there's the ball. 38. Dahil bonus. Number 7, Arms. 2 throws for number 24, Amungan. Palihong lagi ko ba? Kaya mga tao lagi dihangan na sa scoreboard. Panghala mo dihangan di ba kita diri ya?
Sab.
Okay. One sabi lang.
Budok na bubalo mo.
Basta itong nilipat-check na ito diri ya kay Arcalizon. Sorry mga. Kaya po mga pinipili niya palihong ko na tanaw mga sir. Palihong ko na ko sa pa. Asin sa diri ya kay di man maminaw. Okay, Pellegrino. So number 7. Okay, there's goal. Okay, number 15.
Sab.
Sa coming for Sugod, Ramizo, and Tabalingir. Out. Abad and Rispa. Okay, second throw. Basket.
Yung mga tiyan, makikikal mo diha.
Okay.
Kita, normal lang.
Ramizo. Okay. "45 seconds remaining. Number 25, Surigao. Intercept. Here comes Baldi. Nagmamadali. Baldi. Pass to number 24. Ready to number 5. Pass to number 22.
Balik!
Bola, nakuha sa pintuyan. Okay, it's full. Good for 2. 15 seconds remaining. Shot clock off.
Baldi!
10,
Mayroon, tabalik. Na. Sige na, 5, 3, 4.
5,
Nice one.
4. Okay, that's the end of the second quarter. Ang score,
Ang score oy, wala mo dagan 38 na.
try the size 43. Nabaw gihapon ang sugod.